Today we're looking at the 2023 Chevrolet Colorado Trail Boss in a black exterior. This one is powered by a 2.7 liter turbo engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Heading on inside, we do have our jet black interior cloth seats. And if we take a look down, you'll find our power seat controls. If we head on inside, we also have our 11-inch touchscreen with built-in Google Maps to go alongside our wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. On the left and right, you'll find our climate controls. If we look down, you'll find two vents to go alongside our two USB-C and USB charge ports, some storage, our shifter, drive modes, park brake, two cup holders, and additional space here in our middle console. Moving along to the driver's side door here, you'll find our automatic power windows, and right next to that, you'll find our adjustable side mirror controls. By our handle, we do have our power locks. And if you look down here, you'll find our high beam controls and our trailer brake settings. Heading up to the steering wheel, we do have our voice recognition on the right hand side. And right beside that, you'll find our audio controls. To the left, you'll find our front forward collision alert and our cruise control settings. And if we put this vehicle in reverse, you'll see we do have a built-in rear view camera. And last but not least, we do have a push to start ignition with remote start. Heading on to the back, we still have our jet black interior cloth seats. If we take a look in the middle, you'll find our two vents to go alongside our two cup holders up top. These seats also have hidden storage underneath them. You can find the levers on the right or left hand side of these seats. On this one, it's on the left. Just pull the lever up and pull the seat up, and you'll see we do have a hidden storage underneath here. And last but not least, we also do have our rear sliding window. Checking out the exterior here on the Trail Boss, we have our blacked out Chevy bow tie badge to go along with our black grille. If we move along to the side here, you see we do have our 18-inch rims on our Goodyear Wrangler tires, our adjustable side mirrors like I mentioned earlier with our blacked out Colorado badge on the left hand side, tint in the back window. Of course, we have our corner steps here with the Trail Boss decal at the back. Another corner step here on the right hand side with the Trail Boss on the right hand side as well. Our spare tire underneath. And if you open up our tailgate here, hands free, it'll come down, no problem. And of course, it leads you to our spray on bed liner and plenty of storage with our Chevy bow tie badge at the back of the truck. And that is our 2023 Chevrolet Colorado Trail Boss in a black exterior. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help with any questions you may have.